What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at another product from Five Below. We're looking at the Super Bass Headphones Plus by Maxell. Now this was only $5, so I'm not expecting, just like the last one, I'm not expecting amazing results here, but considering the last one was actually pretty decent for $5, I'm kind of looking forward to seeing what this one has. So first off, it has a built-in mic, it has heavy bass, comfort fit, and lightweight. Hey, those don't look too bad. Look at that. Right off the bat, I can tell you that this is made out of very, very cheap plastic. The padding on it seems to be nice and cushiony, but I can tell you that this is the type of material that will eventually start flaking. It will just eventually look really ugly. So it's got a type of padding. It's not really, I mean, it's a type of padding. This is usually something you'd find in like, I don't know, like a box of another electronic to keep it safe. It's a little flexible. I'm a little afraid of trying to flex it too much because like I said, it's all plastic. It does extend, so you can adjust it. All right, the cable is a very basic 3.5mm jack. It does have a built-in microphone with answer hang up button. Okay, wow. I can hear through these easily. There's not much of a seal going on. Shake test? I didn't think so. Okay, all right. Well, let's do what we're here to do. Let's hear how these sound. Whoa. It doesn't sound bad. Highs and mids sound crystal clear. It says that it has super bass, so we're gonna try a little bass boosted. I wouldn't call that super bass. I actually wouldn't even call it great bass. It's not distorting the bass, and this is bass boosted, so that's a plus. It definitely has more bass than the next speaker we looked at. Does the button do anything? Oh, cool. It does act like a pause and play. Nice. They don't get incredibly loud. I have it turned up all the way right now. You know what? Just for fun, let's turn on this volume booster. That's not bad though. It handled it. I put it all the way at max. That's like 200%. There was no distortion or anything. It still sounded pretty good. I would not say that this has super bass though. I will say for $5, the bass is decent. Let's make a phone call. Bro, whoa, that's loud. What? It sounds bad? Scale of 1 to 5. A 3-ish, so it's not that great. Can you describe what it sounds like? Is it like muffled or? Oh, okay. So sounds muffly like a cheap headset. It is. It's a cheap headset. Yeah, I'm actually just turning the headphone jack and I can hear it just like staticky. Is it making a bunch of noise on your side? Okay. All right, I want to hear this myself. Let me see if I can record. Okay. All right, so I'm recording it on my phone so we can hear this because I want to hear what Jesse had to say. He said that it didn't sound very good. It sounded kind of echoey, but muffled like a cheap headset. And then when I moved this cable, oh yeah, see those spikes? There's like all kinds of noise happening there. So it's doable. It's not going to be the best microphone in the world. There you go. For all my US people out there that have a 5 and below or were curious if these headphones are even worth $5, I'm going to go ahead and say yeah, they're worth $5. I think anybody who's just in a pinch that needs some headphones, you're not going to be too disappointed. Don't expect this to have like Sony quality to it in any way. But yeah, you know, for a quick throwaway pair, these are not bad. Anyway, guys, again, I'm gonna leave links down in the description below as usual. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here. Okay, remember, Matt, it's 5 below. It's not 5 and below. Don't disappoint people this time. Come on, you can do it.